Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Genuine Jeev. Thank you for the response on our previous video and please do subscribe our channel if you really like the video. So in this video we are going to unveil our day 2 in Phuket. And it was 7 a.m. in the morning and we had this option of complimentary breakfast. There were many options. We went for the English one and our breakfast was really yummy and filling. So this is our second day in Phuket and we are heading to Tiger Kingdom. So let's go. Now the major highlight here is the cost of the ticket, which starts from 900 Thai baht and it goes up till 3700 Thai baht per head. The costing depends upon the size of the tiger which we are going to interact with. And वहाँ पे 3 categories थी. First one was the cubs and then medium tiger and another was the larger ones. So here she is. We met this gorgeous big cat and her name was Tequila. So today's suggestion from Genuine Jeev is whenever you're visiting Tiger Kingdom, try to reach there before 9:30 a.m. Otherwise you will be also part of this long queue and इसमें क्या होगा आपका जो waiting time है that will be around 2 to 3 hours. In our case we took entry in just 5 minutes. Hello. So guys, after having quality time in our hotel pool, we just chill there and now we are heading to Patong Beach. See you. So it was our last evening in this vibrant and beautiful city Phuket, as tomorrow morning we'll be leaving for Phi Islands. Phuket is also known as the idyllic resort gateway located in the southern part of Thailand. It is also known for its picturesque white sandy beaches, palm tree lined coasts, crystal clear waters, and balmy weather. And yes, the beautiful memories of the city Phuket will always remain in our heart forever. Please stay connected as in the next video we are going to explore the pristine Phi Islands.